The library building itself is both geographically and educationally at the very heart of campus and at the heart of university life. Broad, diverse student demographic at the University of Central Lancashire, and our students have very different wants, needs, expectations in terms of their learning styles and their approaches. So we need to be able to cater for as many of those different styles and approaches as possible in our learning environments. So the library itself is one of the main focus points for students in terms of their learning activities outside of the classroom, and we therefore need to provide a range of different facilities and environments for students to learn in different ways. So our study rooms are a great way of providing a great environment for students to study in groups, focusing on technology or a particular project that they're working on. Our open access computing areas are a great environment for students to study in isolation using technology, and we've got a whole range of other spaces around the library that facilitate different styles of learning. For group working, we find students really want a nice, bright, open space with enough space to move around and to interact with each other in different ways. But the real sort of the underpinning element of this is often the technology. They need to have access to technology that enables them to collaborate on particular pieces of work, to work together, to put together a presentation or to research different materials. And so, in order to support that, we need visual technology that allows them to collaborate around a screen. They need a space where they can all use their devices together and can congregate around a device, and feel like the technology is part of the space, not an add-on or an afterthought. That it's really integrated within the learning environment itself. Our students love our group working spaces. The only negative feedback we have is that there aren't enough of them. They're in such high demand all of the time. We have a real challenge in providing enough spaces for students to do group work, and we've extended the provision out to the rest of the campus. So there are a number of spaces around campus, but the feedback we have is overwhelmingly positive about the students' experience in the spaces themselves. It's really great to see how positive the sort of sense and the atmosphere in these rooms can be in terms of really enabling that collaborative experience for our students, and they seem to really enjoy the spaces. There's a lot of sort of vibrant and enthusiastic discussion going on, and the tables and the technology that it's integrated with really give a focal point for that discussion and for the students' learning.